Good morning, students. Welcome to online platform of Shri Academy. Today we are going to do the comprehension section of the story named After 20 Years. So in the story we have read it is a story about two friends who separated each other to make their fortunes, and after 20 years they made promise to each other to come and meet at the same place. After 20 years they met to each other, and Bob, who left for West, has done very well in the West, and Jimmy, who remained in Chicago, worked as a policeman. And when Jimmy met Bob, he found that Bob is wanted in Chicago, so he sent the other policeman to arrest him. He did not did the same by himself, because he was a good friend to Bob and a good policeman to Chicago. So this was the story we read earlier, and today we are going to do the comprehension section of the story. So read Bob's statement given below, match them with the character traits they reflect. First one is, I come 1,000 miles to stand in this door tonight, and it's what if my old partner turns up. Be dependable. The next day I was to start for the West to make my fortune. You could have dragged Jimmy out of New York. He thought it was the only place on earth. A. Arrogant. You see, the West is pretty big proposition, and I kept hustling around over it pretty lively. Daring. You bet. I hope Jimmy has done half as well. C. Proud. 5. If Jimmy is alive on earth, he'll be here by that time. D. Faith in friend. 6. You have changed lots, Jimmy. I never thought you were so tall by 2 or 3 inches. E. Observant. Rather a long time, notice B. Part. Rather a long time between the meetings, though it seems to me. How much time had passed between the meetings? Answer is 20 years passed between the meetings. Where did the first meeting take place? The first meeting took place at Big Joy Brady's restaurant. What do you think was the speaker's mood when he said this? The speaker was excited. Here is the spelling mistake. The speaker was EXICTED. So all of you do not make the same mistake in your copy. It will be CTED. Excited. To know more. So he said this. Did pretty well out west, didn't you? Who had done pretty well in the west? Bob had done pretty well in the west. Name the 2 things that the speaker noticed that made him remark that the other had done pretty well out west. The speaker noticed that the man had a scarf in which had a large diamond, and also noticed the watch pulled out by other men which had lids of it set with small diamonds, which made him remark that the other had done pretty well out west. How do you think he had actually done so well? Later in the story we come to know that Bob was wanted in Chicago, so it is very obvious that he has chosen illegal was to do well, like smuggling, etc. Okay student, remaining part of the comprehension section we will do in the next video. Thank you.